Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to increase row height and column height in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel spreadsheet. Now we can see here many data to this spreadsheet. Now we want to increase the row height and column height. Now I am select the row. Click right button and select row height option. We can see here the row height is 15. Now we want to increase this. Write your height number. Now I am make 20 and click OK. We can see we make the row height 20. You want to increase the row column height, click select any column, then click right button, choose column wide option and change the column wide. Now I am make 25 and click OK. Now we can see we increase row height and column wide in Microsoft Excel. Let's get. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.